Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can combine videos on CapCut PC. Select videos from I'm just going to select videos from stock materials, You can select it from any other videos you'd like to. I'm just going to select this one. Let me just change the frame ratio on this. And I'm going to add this one on top. So you have these two videos, for instance, and you want to combine them. I don't know why I removed everything. Let me just use the chroma key to remove the background. Okay. So I want to combine these two videos together into just like one clip. So to do that, select both, right click, and then select create compound clip or Alt G on your keyboard. And then it's going to basically create a compound clip like so. And it's going to make it into one single clip. If you want to edit that still, just double click on the clip. And if you want to go back to your main track, you're just going to select the back button here. That is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.